Okay.
Hello, how are you?
Would you like to sit here on the fan?
Here will be fine, yes. He's going to eat as well.
Okay.
And you can charge us.
Okay,
Okay,
no problem.
thank you.
Can I get you some still water?
Still water, please.
Still?
Yes.
This is a copy of the cocktail menu
Thank you.
right here.
Maybe we can eat there?
There.
Yeah. Thank you. Cocktail menu. Okay, I'm gonna get the drift rum punch. This one. It contains rum. It contains rum, lime, bitters, and nutmeg. The view is incredible. You can see Saint Kitts from here. This is Saint Kitts.
Would you like to have a drink or you?
Yes, please.
Sure. This is the lunch, and we already have the 2 lobster grilling it for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna have the drift rum
Rum
punch.
punch.
I had already pre-ordered the grilled lobster yesterday, because this week it has been difficult to find lobster on the island. It was raining last week, so the fishermen haven't caught lobster. I'm gonna check out the menu to order some starters as well.
Rum punch, 1 Coke, and the asterisk coming right up.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And can we also have one lobster salad? And it is good.
Sharing platter. It consists of fish cake,
Yeah.
bruschetta, and coconut shrimp.
Yeah. Okay, let's have that as well.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Rum punch. Cheers. I think the killer bee cocktail I had at Sunshine Restaurant is actually rum punch. I think I just uncovered the secret recipe of the killer bee cocktail. It's actually rum punch. Check out this bench. The base is made of seashells. There. Thank you.
For the lobster, the grill whole lobster, would you like it with just vegetables?
For me, rice and veg.
Oh,
Thank you.
the salad.
Thank you.
Would you share platter?
Okay.
Please do enjoy. We have here bruschetta, fish cake, coconut shrimp, sweet chili, mango aioli.
The lobster is very juicy and fresh. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. Let's try the platter now. Crusted shrimp. Very crunchy. 9 out of 10. I'm gonna try the fish balls now. I don't know what fish is this, I'm going to ask, but I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. The next starter is the bruschetta. It's like a cheese bruschetta, not really a local flavor. I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. The salad was very fresh and although very simple, it contained only lettuce, lobster, and avocado and some kind of lime sauce, I think. It was very, very tasty.
How's everything going?
Oh, everything was great.
Okay. Would you like
What did you use? What kind of fish did you use in the
fish cake?
balls? Yeah.
Mahi mahi.
Mahi mahi.
Fresh mahi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everything was delicious.
Thank you. And your lobsters are coming right up. Okay?
This rampage is very strong. I already feel a bit tipsy, but it might be because I haven't eaten that much yet. Oh, that's a big lobster. What is the weight of this?
This one is like 4 pounds.
4 pounds?
4 to 5 pounds, this one.
4 to 5 pounds.
4 to 5,
So
yeah.
what's that in kgs, do you know?
You can Google it. You Google,
I'll Google it.
Google 5 pounds in kg.
Oops. Yes.
My.
So 5 pounds in kg.
That's 5 pounds.
It's 2.3 kilograms. That's a big lobster.
That's a huge one.
Okay, this lobster is massive. It's 2.3 kilograms, and they're actually bringing one more. So far in the Caribbean, I have only found smaller lobsters, maximum 1.8 kgs. This is the biggest one I have found so far. Plantain. So how heavy is this one?
This one is 3 pounds.
3 pounds.
3.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much. So the second lobster is 1.4 kilograms. A bit smaller, but still big enough. They both look so juicy.
How's the first bite?
Very juicy lobster. You
Thank
cooked
you.
it perfectly.
Thank you.
Very juicy lobster, perfectly cooked. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. They've used a lot of spices. I can see the garlic. I don't know what else they've used. I'm gonna ask them.
How was it?
It was great.
Okay.
What kind of spices have you used?
We use a lot of fresh herbs, like a little bit of thyme, a little bit of, we use kosher salt, black pepper, fresh thyme, fresh scallions.
And so garlic as well.
Yeah, and the garlic.
Yeah, it was great. The best
Okay.
the best lobster I've had has been in Guadeloupe so far in the Caribbean islands, but this one beats it by far.
Okay.
By far it's
Well,
the
I'm
best.
glad that we beat Guadeloupe.
Yeah.
Thank you. This your first time to Nevis?
First time, yes. It's our second day today.
Okay, you just arrived
We just-
yesterday.
yeah,
okay.
the day before, but in the evening.
Okay. And you're having a good time?
Yeah, so far it has been great.
Oh.
I really like the vibe of the island.
Okay.
We went to have lunch at Sunshine Beach yesterday.
Okay, yeah. Lively.
Lively, yes.
Yeah, lively.
Different style from here.
Yeah.
Everyone has been talking about this restaurant for quality food, so we
Yeah.
wanted to try it.
We try our best, you know?
And you've got a really nice setup as well.
Yeah, nice
This is
spot,
a
nice
really
setup,
spot,
yeah. So how long are you guys going to be here for?
Until the 11th,
Okay.
for 2 more days.
3 more days, yeah. And then you fly back.
No, then we fly to Turks and Caicos.
Okay, you're doing a little island hopping.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah,
My
it's
daughter
nice.
just went to Turks and Caicos
Oh, really?
for her 21st birthday.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, she had a really good time.
She liked it there?
She loved it.
Yeah, I've heard
Yeah,
good
she loved
things about the island.
Yeah. Would you like some dessert or you're fine?
Do you have anything local?
We have the gingerbread.
Okay.
The warm gingerbread is
Yeah.
homemade with caramel sauce and vanilla ice cream.
Okay, I'm gonna try that one.
Okay.
Just one for me.
Okay.
Thank you. I'm really full, but I wanted to try the gingerbread. Let's see what it tastes like.
Enjoy.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm going to be leaving.
Okay.
Kizaria is going to present you with the check whenever you're ready. No
Okay.
rush. Take your time. Enjoy
Alright.
your afternoon.
Thank you very much for
Okay?
everything.
Take care.
Thank you. For dessert, I got the gingerbread with ice cream. It's warm, soft and fluffy, very tasty. I'm gonna give it an 8.5 out of 10.
Thank you.
Thank you. 350. You can charge us 350. $350, yeah.
I'm going to enter into...
Oh, there's a different section.
remaining,
Okay,
yes.
okay, perfect.
Can I borrow your calculator?
Sure.
Can you subtract 350 from 229, please?
229.
Yes. 291.
291. Okay.
Thank you. You guys had a nice lunch?
Yeah, it was great.
Are you still eating?
No, we're done. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thanks for joining us for lunch. I do hope you return.
Yeah, we will.
Okay.
We are leaving on Saturday, but I'm sure we'll be back.
Safe flight when we catch up.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you.
This is your coffee. And thank you.
Thank you again.
Welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too. So the total cost was $292. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. My friend is. My friend is.
Bye bye.
My friend.
Thank you. Bye bye. Πού είναι? Είναι εκεί. Ούτε εδώ είναι. Πού είναι? Okay, I'm done with the food, but I cannot find the driver.
Are you scared?
Scared? No? Scared of what?
I saw you walking.
Oh, no, we're trying to find the driver, but he's not there.
You call him?
The driver with the car?
You called him?
No, he was supposed to be here. So we're waiting. I was looking for him.
Just give it a call when you get to call him.
Okay.
Is it? I already called him.
Ah, you called him? Okay, perfect. Thank you.
I already called him.
Πού πήγε? Την κοπάνισε? Do you know if the driver had lunch? Did he?
Yes.
Ah, he did. Okay, thank you. Apparently the driver left and they had to call him to come back. Have a nice day. We were looking for you.